Did you know an 80-year-old grandmother was still stealing million-dollar jewelry from the world's most exclusive stores? Doris Payne began her criminal career in 1953, but this wasn't your typical smash-and-grab thief. She was a master manipulator. Payne would walk into Cartier, Tiffany, and other luxury stores dressed like royalty. She'd charm the salespeople with elaborate stories about her wealthy lifestyle. While they showed her expensive pieces, she'd slip rings and necklaces into her purse, or simply walk out wearing them. The staff never suspected the elegant woman robbing them blind. For 60 years, she pulled the same trick across 3 continents. Different identities, different backstories, same devastating results. She stole over $2 million in jewelry, arrested dozens of times, but her charm worked in courtrooms too. Even in her 80s, Payne couldn't stop. In 2013, police finally caught her red-handed stealing from a department store. The world's most notorious jewel thief was 83 years old. She showed no remorse for her 6-decade crime spree.